Transformers universe. Classics 2.0 25th anniversary, the second Walmart exclusive set of Air Raid and Storm Surge, the War of the Waves pack. And before I get to the figures, I'm going to go to the box again. And the back of the box, quite nice. It says Universe. Here's Air Raid with his stats there. Pretty decent stats. The highest one is a 9 for endurance and courage. Storm Surge there. His highest stat is an 8 in strength. Since he's a Cybertron figure, he has the Cyber Key. He does not. He comes with the Energon Star. It says 25 years. Then it says War of the Waves here. Storm Surge isn't exactly king of the waves, but he's the guy Megatron left in charge, and he'll be rusted if any low-down Autobot that can't even swim is going to beat him. Air Raid has been sent to sink him, but it's all the Autobot flyer can do to dodge the frantic flood of firepower spewing at him from the surface of the sea. So even Air Raid's having some trouble taking down Storm Surge. That'd actually be a nice episode of some Transformers continuity. That'd be nice. So I'm going to start off with Storm Surge. So here you can see I just put through a Cyber Key in the back. It is like the one that Primus, I believe, had, except for it has a Decepticon logo. And you just plug it in, and his rocket launchers come out. And he has his gun here. So just transform him. I always like to have the slip back. Pop the gun onto place, like so. And then down like that. Snap the waist in, which will push the head up just enough for you to get your a grip on him, on his head there. With your finger, rotate the head around like that. There's his head. Just fold those up and pull them down. Push these bits back. And he does have some Sector 7 symbols there that are still there from the original release that they just never got rid of. Because I don't see why on a Revenge of the Fallen toy they would use Sector 7 when Sector 7 was terminated. You can take his gun here and plug it into his hand like that. You can do the same thing with the missiles there, like that. Does stand pretty well. Decent size. Here he is with Soundwave. So you can see Soundwave's pretty big, a little bigger than him due to the fact Soundwave's a deluxe figure. He is a scout from Cybertron. So articulation-wise, can go 360 degrees here. Can go 360 degrees at the head due to the ball joint on it. Legs can go forward and back, side to side a little bit. Bend at the knee, and bend at the foot. So let's take him out and come in with the Energon scout figure. He was one of the Omnicons. He was one of the Omnicons. And this is the exact same colors that once again was released back in the 2007 movie line as a Target exclusive. This does still he even has a Sector 7 symbol there. So let me zoom in on it this way. See, S7 with an Allspark cube there, which they should have gotten rid of those due to the fact it's not movie 1 anymore. But these are just Walmart exclusives. The weapons it says combine like all the black pieces to form ultimate weapon, because these separate, and the gun separates, and the dual gun there separates, and so. But I normally have it just for the sake of losing some of the pieces. I normally have it in the full big weapon mode. To transform him, what you want to do is, what I like to do first is just lift that up, because that likes to come unpegged a lot on just mine. Then pull the arms out and fold those wing pieces around, which do have engraved, like molded Autobot symbols on both sides. But you can only kind of see it there because of the camouflage, and you cannot really see it there. You want to fold down the feet like that, push in little claw bits there. Fold the feet down like so, and turn. Okay, maybe you do want to keep that not moved. Alright, so then, see, it just came unpegged. And that's the biggest problem I have with this, the only problem I have with Air Raid here. This little top piece likes to come unpegged. So let me get it fixed real quick, because it's a simple just matter of retabbing it, but it does not like to stay connected. So there's Air Raid. Like I said, he was one of the Omnicons, and he was the Omnicons were in Transformers Energon, and they were the only Autobots that could touch raw Energon. I forget what this mold was called, who he was. I'll probably watch like an Energon episode or two to figure it out. But I remember the other, there was this guy and Strong Arm, or the other one. So, pretty nice figure there. Decent articulation. The head can rotate, but it's on a special thing when you rotate the chest for transformation. It rotates, so I'm not going to move it. Arms can go 360 degrees. You can go forward and back there. Rotate. I believe they might be able to. No, that cannot. They can go at the elbow there. The wings can rotate 360. Legs can go forward and back, side to side. Bend to the side due to the transformation, and the feet can move. So, pretty decent articulation for a little scout figure. So, final thoughts on this set. Once again, if you have $10 and you did not pick up these two originally from the 07 movie line, go ahead and get it. They are still available at Walmart. So, you know what? Go ahead and get them. So, this has been my video review for these two. Universe War of the Waves 2-pack, Walmart exclusive.